Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. It's a little bit overcast here today, so I'm hoping this video doesn't come out too dark. Now, today I'd like to show you a project that I made using a digital download that I purchased from Screech Owl Studio on Etsy. I think it was called their Essence of Rose kit, or maybe it was just Rose Journal Kit. I forget. It was a journal kit, but I've actually used it to make an embellishment folder. Yes, I know, another embellishment folder, but I do love making these. So I also purchased the matching add-on kit as well, because that had extra envelopes and note cards and some larger tags. So this is a tri-folder, and it's made from a large sheet of tea-stained cardstock, and it measures 8 by 6. So it's not little. So on the front, I've just done some layering with some of the beautiful papers from the kit. And I've actually made a pocket in the front here with one of the envelopes. And in there, I do have another envelope tucked in. And it has a little journaling card inside. It just goes in there. And I've just added some lace on the top and the bottom of that pocket. And on the bottom here and at the top, just some crocheted trim. And then the back is plain. It's held together with some very pale pink seam binding and some very fine soft netting. I think it might be a curtain material, I think. Now, all of the cardboard I've covered with different papers from the kit. And on this side here, I've just made a very small pocket that I've added some lace and some crochet trim to. And in there I've just got an assortment of envelopes. There's a larger one and a couple of smaller ones. And I think this one has a couple of journaling cards in it. Essence of Rose, and they're just plain on the back for journaling. Okay, so this opens up. Then over this side here we have a very small pocket, and I've got some of the larger tags that came with the add-on kit. And at the top of some of them I've got some pale pink seam binding and some very pale pink beige seam binding. And then here we have a little side pocket. And I've just made a little journal that I've sewn in with some twine. That's the back, and just some journaling pages inside there. Now in this front pocket, some envelopes, and they all have a journaling card inside, and they all have the same journaling card, I think. I think that one's the same, very similar. Then in the back here we have a larger journal in this pocket. I just love that paper. And I just love roses. That is just so pretty. And here I've just gone around the edges of this image here with some crocheted trim. A few little flat back pearls, and it's also sewn in with some more twine. And in here we have some more journaling paper. Just different papers that I've used. And some baking paper that's been tea stained. And I've just used little bits of leftover papers and put them on the edges there just to get, add a bit of colour. And the baking paper. Then on this side, a small pocket with some of the smaller tags from the kit. And some seam binding at the top. Then this diagonal pocket that I've created here, I've just made an envelope from some of the papers, and in here I've just put some of the leftover envelopes and journaling cards. Oh, there's some belly bands that I didn't use. Just some other little tags and some tickets. So that goes in there. And there it is. And I just love the way it's turned out. I just love the finish of it. It's just so soft and pink and romantic looking. So what I've decided to do, or what I did do, was I made two. With the intention of giving one of these away. So if you're interested in owning one of these, there's only two things that you need to do. And one is to be a visible subscriber to my channel before today. And the other is to mention in a comment below that you'd like to be in the draw for a chance to win it, is what I'm trying to say. And that part is important because it's only those names that have actually mentioned that they would like to win it that will go into the draw. Okay, so I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back in a few days to draw a winner. Bye for now.